Let's cook a steak using 1,000 garlic. Now I love garlic, and if you're like me, whenever you confit garlic, it just makes them nice and soft and delicious. As you saw it there, you just gotta use some olive oil and put it in the oven at low temperature because it comes out delicious. Now grab that garlic and throw it in a bowl. Combine it with some salt, black pepper, onion powder, paprika, and cayenne. Now blend everything and turn it into a paste. Now grab yourself a steak and throw it in a smoker. Let the whole thing cook nice and slow. Now with that garlic paste, mix it with some flour. Then remove your steak and encase the whole thing with the garlic spread. Now using the oil that was left from the garlic, go ahead and deep fry everything to get a crust. Because in the end, you're left with this, 1,000 garlic steak. It will keep the vampires away. But how does it actually taste?